you, Bernie, live outside here in the Scottish borders on 4th of April. The one that we all love, he's the deepest there ever was. He's the greatest, the one that we all love, yes sir. He's the deepest, the wonderful Wizard of Wool. Yes sir. His first concerto, 10 Washington Symphony Orchestra. Juilliard School of Music, New England Conservatory, y'all. Yes, he did. Parliament and Funkadelic, Woodsy's Rubber Band, George Clinton, there's no doubt. Aqua Booby, Cosmic Scope, Atomic Dog, Flashlight. Bernie's freaking out.
The one that we all love.
Yes, sir.
He's the deepest, the wonderful Wizard of Wool.
He's the greatest, the one that we all love. Yes, sir. He's the deepest, the wonderful Wizard of Wool. Yes, sir.
He's the greatest, the one that we all love. He's the deepest, the wonderful Wizard of Wool.
Talking heads speaking in tongues without Bernie making any sense. Little last world of pretenders, Jack Goose Delight, the riches even less. Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube, De La Soul, and DMX. All stole the Bernie genius and sampled multi-platinum success. Yes, you did.